Let's unbox what could be my favorite cat purchase of the whole year. We've just upgraded our plastic litter box and I am never going back. This litter box is made from high-grade stainless steel and built to last for 10 years. It even comes with a stainless steel scooper and a cat paw cleaner. My fur babies are already obsessed and it genuinely looks good everywhere. Who even knew litter boxes could be aesthetic? You need to run and get yours now. They are online, but they have sold out 3 times. You can also get $20 off by signing up to their email list.